We have a 2015 Infiniti QX60 with the 3.5 liter V6 engine, and there is a trouble code store for the transmission computer P17F1-00 CVT Judder. And so there is a TSB technical service bulletin on this, and specifically for the 2014 to 2018 model years V6 engine only. The customer's complaint was that in the morning time it would be making a whining noise or a noise, and especially when turning the steering wheel left and right, so it would be making noise, and then the noise would go away after. This is an issue related to the CVT transmission. So upon inspection, I drained the fluid. I drained some of the fluid, and you could see some metallic debris inside the fluid. You see all a bunch of shiny glitter particles inside the fluid. So it may be a little bit difficult to see that on camera, but you can see all of the shiny stuff in there. So the TSB states that you must drop the pan and inspect the valve body. So you must remove the valve body and use a borescope camera to inspect the chain inside the CVT transmission. If the chain is okay, then it states to replace the valve body. If the chain is not okay, then you must replace the entire CVT transmission. That's what it states for what the fix is. So you must follow the technical service bulletin as outlined from Infiniti Nissan. The customer also stated in their complaint that there is a noise when the vehicle is started in the morning, and then as soon as you drive it for a short bit, the noise disappears. And then they also stated that when turning the steering wheel either all the way to the left or to the right or something, there's a noise and then it goes away or something like that. But the complaint is related to the I'm pretty sure related to the CVT transmission, because I read somewhere that there's a TSB related to this issue about the CVT judder problem. So right now I'm just waiting for the customer approval to see if they want us to tear down the transmission, to take the valve body out and to inspect the chain inside the CVT and to see if it's okay or not, and just going by the procedures as per Infiniti and Nissan. And now I double checked the power steering system and everything, the pump and stuff. I think this uses an electro hydraulic pump, I think. But I checked the fluid level and everything. Everything seems to be okay. There's no leaks. So there isn't anything coming from the power steering system. And I know that I've dealt with previous Nissan vehicles in the past. And I've seen the I think the first or the second generation Nissans. The CVTs are known to fail. They had a high failure rate. I remember there was a 2009 Nissan Versa, and this one had the 1.8 liter engine, I believe, and this one only had roughly 90,000 kilometers. And so this issue, the complaint with that vehicle was that you would hear a whining noise when the vehicle is idling, but the vehicle has to be stone cold in the morning or something like that in order to hear the noise, and it only happens intermittently. So long story short, we couldn't really pinpoint the issue. The customer drove the car, and after like a day or two, the CVT transmission completely failed, and then it was towed to the Nissan dealer, and they were replacing the transmission under I believe the either the powertrain warranty, or they had a campaign warranty or bulletin going on, so they just replaced the entire transmission in the end. So when I drove this vehicle during the road test, I heard some noises, but the noises would like come and go. So I just finished work. I just got home now. One other thing I forgot to mention about the Infiniti is that I heard a lot of people putting in another transmission, and only to find out that the second transmission is worse than the first transmission. So even if you put a good used one or a new one, I heard of a lot of people having issues with the second transmission. And so I'm starting to believe that these cars are throwaway cars. It's just that they never built these CVT transmissions properly, and so they were problematic and failure prone. And also, when you replace the CVT transmission, usually you're supposed to reprogram the TCM, the transmission control module, after the replacement is all finished. So in the TSB, they had multiple updates. So the one TSB was the latest one. I think it was from 2019. I'll see if I can put the TSBs on the screen somewhere. And so the latest one, they put in a TCM reprogramming to fix the issue, but along with either replacing the valve body or the transmission. So that's about it for this one. It was just something I was briefly having a look at when this came into the shop. The body shop is working on the front end, just the front bumper and stuff, because I'm working with in collaboration with the body shop, and the mechanic shop just opened up. There's still a few more things to put into the shop, equipment and stuff. So we're still in progress of trying to get things going. So that's it for this one. I'm gonna conclude this video. If you like this one, please don't forget to give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel if you're not already a subscriber. And please don't forget to hit the bell notification. And I'll see you guys next time.